In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix content not accessible error in Roblox. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, you might be playing Roblox and you might be trying to play a certain game, but you might be getting a specific message saying something like, to access this experience, first update your content maturity settings. But you might not know how to do that, and your games might have like a lock on them, which could be really annoying, especially if you're trying to play with friends. So what you want to do is firstly open up Roblox. So we're just going to open it up right now. Then once you have it open, what you have to do is on the bottom right, you're going to see there's three little dots. Click on those, then scroll down, and you're going to see the settings icon. So just go ahead and click on that. Then from here, you want to go on the third option, which is privacy and content restrictions. And then once you're on that, you want to go to the first option, which is content maturity. Now, if you're not able to play games, you're likely going to be like on minimal or mild or even maybe moderate. So what you want to do to be able to see all the games is just go onto restricted, and then you're basically just going to be able to play any game you want, and then you'll be good to go. But anyways, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.